right, let's do a gentle nervous system reset. This is going to help you feel calmer, less anxious, and more like yourself. Take a deep breath in and out. Already I'm feeling my hips relaxing, so you might be feeling that too. We're going to start tapping at the hand. This is going to help you release any energy and information around grief, heartbreak, loss, feeling like you don't belong, those kinds of emotions. Good. Feel the chest already starting to expand and open up. Take a deep breath in and out. What we want is our exhale to be longer than our inhale, and we want to be coming from a deeper breath from lower down near our belly button or our abdomen, not our chest, not a shallow breath. Take another deep breath in and out. We're going to go to the top of the head. We're going to tap on anxiety, looping thoughts, overthinking, trying to calculate what's going to happen, all the things that gets us out of the present moment. Good. Take a deep breath in and out. I'm feeling the lower back releasing. You might be yawning. You might be getting teary-eyed already. These are all signs that your body's moving into the parasympathetic nervous system, where we rest, digest, and heal. Good. Let's go to the inner eyebrow. So this is where we release anger and frustration. So if we've been feeling frustrated with life, angry about our situation, this is going to help release some of that tension. Good. I already felt like the throat was starting to release, chest was opening up yet again. Good. Take a deep breath in and out. Good. Shoulders are relaxing. There might be even some draining behind the ears that's happening. That's the fight or flight draining. We're going to go to the outside of the eye. Good. Take a deep breath in and out. This is also releasing anger and frustration. Good. Feeling the chest opening up more, feeling more grounded and centered, aware of your presence and those around you. Good. When we get into the parasympathetic nervous system, we have access to our intuition, and I just felt like that heightened sense of intuition was coming in for you. Good. Take a deep breath in and out. When we come from this state, we're able to prioritize things a lot more easily. So we're able to figure out what we need to do first and what will make the best and most impact for our day, for our life, for the decisions we need to make. So this is how, when we get into this slower state, we actually save time and wind up going faster. Good. Take a deep breath in and out. This spot underneath the eye helps to release control. So anytime we're trying to seek control in life, we will find that we can't. The only thing that we can control over time through practice is how we respond. And the best way to do that is to work on our emotions and get into the parasympathetic nervous system. Good. I feel a lot of tension behind the head and neck releasing. This is where we first process emotions. They come right up to this back part of the head and neck, and then they get stuck. If there's too many of a looping pattern, it kind of gets like a traffic jam there. So when we're tapping and talking, we will notice a lot of energy traveling down the spine. It's almost like flushing the toilet, trying to make it drain. Good. Take a deep breath in and out. This spot right here helps to release, or helps to connect the mind and the body. So oftentimes our mind is like, I got to do this, this, and this. And our body's like, whoa, we need a break. And this is the break that your body's looking for. Good. Take a deep breath in and out. When we get an overwhelm, whether it's anxiety or we experience something traumatic, we tend to check out of our body, and then the body can't process the emotions, and it waits until those moments come. And so therefore it stores it in our tissues in our body and creates a traffic jam throughout our body in various places, depending on the emotion, depending on the time, depending on what happened. Take a deep breath in and out. Good. Let's go under the lip. So this point is wonderful to tap on, because so often we are unkind to ourselves and we don't even realize it. We're harsh. We start criticizing ourselves. I was just unpacking my suitcase and I was thinking how disorganized I am and how I needed to clean up more and donate more clothes and all this kind of stuff. And I was like finding myself so annoyed with the unpacking. And then I just realized, what is that self-talk all about, Amy? Why are you judging your process? So this is a way to be kind to ourselves. Release that inner dialogue. Take a deep breath in and out. This is also how we speak our truth to others. So when we don't set boundaries, this can get clogged because we wanted to say no, but we said yes. And that's where our body's like, darn it, we need a rest. So it can get all clogged in our jaw and our mouth and our throat. Good. Take a deep breath in and out one more time. We're gonna go here. So this is the fear point. I like to make a C to make it easy, but if you don't want to do that, you can tap here. You can tap with either hand as well. So if you're a lefty or a righty, it just depends on what's more comfortable for you. So we're releasing fear. So fear of not being enough, fear of being alone, fear of losing something, losing someone, fear of never achieving what we want to achieve. Whatever your fear may be. It could be a big fear, it could be a little fear, it doesn't matter. It starts to work on that energy and move it forward. Good. Take a deep breath in and out. This is based on Chinese medicine, these points. So they help to release emotions that are stuck in the body. Those meridians are like superhighways that are connected to points, like exit points. Like exit 32, if you're from New Jersey, you get it. What exit do you live at? Take a deep breath in and out. This point right here helps to bring us back home to ourselves and have more compassion, more love, more understanding, more forgiveness. So often, like I said, we judge ourselves and it's too harsh. It's not okay. So this helps to kind of bring in some of that forgiveness, as well as pump the lymph right here, because right below that is the thymus. Let's go right here. We're going to go on the outside. So on the right hand side, we are processing anger, and on the left, worry. Just take a deep breath in and out. So this tapping session went fast. We only did one round. You can keep tapping. It's up to you. You can do this twice a day. You can do this longer than 10 minutes. It just depends on how much transformation you want. Take a deep breath in and out. Place your hands on your heart and hold it there for 20 seconds. This helps to release oxytocin, which helps you bond with yourself and others, process emotion, get you into the parasympathetic nervous system, help you relax for sleep. It's all good stuff. Take a deep breath in and out one more time. I love you. You're doing great. Keep it up.